Welcome to 80 Sarita Path, a wonderful 4-level end-unit townhome with 3 bedrooms and 3 washrooms, enjoying an exceptional central location within North Oshawa's Windfields community. Featuring a decorative balcony above its covered front entrance and a single-car garage with a partially covered driveway, through the entry door is a ceramic tiled reception hall with a dark hardwood staircase to the 2nd level. And with mainly north and south-facing exposures, as an end unit, every level also has east-facing windows that bring additional natural light into the home. As the staircase continues to the 2nd level principal rooms, it splits at the upper landing, having hardwood steps to another ceramic tiled hallway that provides access to the backyard. The open concept living and dining rooms have a bright neutral decor set against dark hardwood flooring that brings to these entertaining spaces an aura of modern elegance. And enhancing their spaciousness is natural light through a south-facing window and a sliding door opening to a Juliet balcony. Both a coat closet as well as a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink are found off the hall leading into the kitchen. This very functional workspace blending traditional warmth with modern accents. Here, stone counters are paired with jewel-like mosaic backsplashes. A north-facing window sits above a stainless steel double undermount sink. The deep-colored cabinetry has valance lighting and offers exceptional storage, while stainless steel appliances complete the kitchen and include a fridge, dishwasher, range hood, and oven with smooth cooktop. To both the 3rd and 4th levels are dark hardwood staircases with wrought iron pickets. Both levels also finished with dark hardwood flooring throughout. The 3rd level features 2 good-sized bedrooms with double closets, the first of these bedrooms having a north-facing exposure, and adjacent to this bedroom is a laundry room with ceramic flooring as well as a stacked front-load washer and dryer. The 4-piece washroom has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and adjacent to the washroom is the 2nd of the 2 bedrooms, which is bathed in the natural light of its south-facing exposure. The 4th and uppermost level is exclusive to the master suite. Off the staircase landing is a linen and storage closet. Off the hallway is a nook ideal as a sitting, dressing, or office area, as well as a double closet with mirrored doors and a walk-in closet. The bedroom itself, which enjoys the natural brightness of a south-facing exposure, can also accommodate a sitting area and has a walkout onto a south-facing balcony. And the 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, a vanity with double basins and great storage, a soaker tub, and a separate glass shower area. Located in a community with ample visitor parking and a short walk to green spaces, public transit, and the Windfields Shopping Centre, this home is also close to Durham College and Ontario Tech University campuses, the Cedar Valley Conservation Area, and golf courses, while access to major thoroughfares, including Highway 407, are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.